Good morning, children. I am your maths teacher, Mrs. Pramila Fernandez. Last class we have studied what are rational numbers, how to show the rational numbers on the number line, and how to compare the two rational numbers. Today we are going to learn the decimal representation of a rational number. If we use decimal fractions while dividing the numerator of a rational number by its denominator, we get the decimal representation of a rational number. I repeat, if we divide a decimal fraction, that is to the numerator by a denominator, we get the decimal representation of a rational number. Example, 7 upon 4. Here, when we divide 7 upon 4, we get the answer 1.75. And this 1.75 is the decimal representation of the rational number 7 upon 4. Similarly, the second example, 8 upon 3. When we divide 8 by 3, we get the answer 2.6666. And this 2.6666 is a decimal representation of a rational number. Now student, observe this example 7 upon 4. When we divide 7 upon 4, we get the decimal form as 1.75 and the remainder is 0. Hence, the process of division comes to an end. Such a type of decimal form is known as terminating decimal form. Terminating decimals have a finite number of digits after the decimal point. We look at the second example, that is 8 divided by 3. Here we get the decimal form as 2.6666 and the process of division is not ending. It is continuous. Such type of decimal form are known as non-terminating decimal form. Non-terminating decimals are those which keep on continuing after decimal point. Now let us observe some more examples for non-terminating decimal forms. That is 7 upon 6. We get the answer as 1.6666 and here the digit 6 is repeating. 5 upon 6, the answer is 0.8333. Here the number 3 is repeating. Minus 5 upon 3, here answer is minus 1.6666 and here the digit 6 is repeating. 22 upon 7 is equal to 3.142857, 142857. Here 142857 is repeating. 23 upon 99, the answer is 0.2323 and here number 23 is repeating. In this example, any one digit or two digits or group of digits are repeating. Therefore, these type of decimals are known as non-terminating recurring decimals. And these recurring decimals can be shown by either putting a dot or putting a bar or a line on the digit or group of digits. Non-terminating recurring decimals have one or more repeating numbers or sequences of numbers after the decimal point which continue infinitely. We came to know that every rational number can be written in a non-terminating recurring decimal form. You can refer these examples. Similarly, a terminating decimal form can be written as a non-terminating recurring decimal form. Example 7 upon 4, which is a non-terminating decimal, that is which is a terminating rational number. You got the answer 1.75. If you put zeros in front of these numbers, it will be converting into non-terminating decimals. Now let us solve the practice set number 1.3. The first question is, write the following rational numbers in decimal form. Number 1. 9 upon 37. This can be done by using the simple division method. When we divide 9 by 37, we get the answer 0.23 and the remainder is 9, and the process of division is continuous. If you continue the same process, again you will be getting the digits 2, 4, 3. That is, digits 2, 4, 3 are repeating or recurring. Therefore, this type of representation is known as non-terminating recurring decimals. Example number 4, that is minus 103 upon 5. When we divide 103 by 5, we get the answer 20.6 and the remainder is 0. So here the division comes to an end. Therefore, this type of representation is known as terminating decimal representation of rational number. Question number 2, 3 and 5 are as a homework. Hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.